And another question type you can add as a new question is the essay. The essay is one that it will not grade. You have to go back. There is no actual correct answer. So if you just wanted students to submit something that they won't necessarily, it won't be graded. Um, you'll have to go back and manually grade that. This is where you would do that. So I would choose the essay option. I would type in my prompts, and then I can simply update the question, and it will show up with just a text box where students submit that answer. And then when their quiz finalizes, they'll be able to see any graded ones like up here, but then it will leave this one, it'll say pending where they need to get their grade for this question. But this is a great way just to add in a final thought. So, what are you looking forward to about PD this year? Let's say, and I'll update the question. Let's say I want to make it out of 5 points. I want to hear 5 different things you say. I put my directions in there and I will hit update question.